So still waiting for more price action on Germany 40. Price is consolidating and is moving sideways still, and we're still at all-time highs after a daily beggar structure, and we're rejecting higher prices and we're rejecting lower prices, but we're slowly starting to push up a bit higher, but we are stuck in sideways price action. Like I said on Friday, the 30-minute might look good, but when you go up to the higher time frame, you can see that price is just consolidating. This is the one thing that with this strategy, you gotta wait. There's a lot of waiting sometimes, depending what phase you're in. So because we have made a breaker structure, we're waiting for a pullback. I'm not looking to take any buys at the moment. It depends. If price pushes higher, then I might, and creates clear demand, then I'll be looking for more buys. But at the moment, with what price is doing up here, I'm looking for price. What I want price to do is push down, take out this area here, and then we can look to sell into these demands down here. So that's what I'm waiting for. But if price pushes out of this consolidation area up higher, then I'll be considering buys then. So yeah, there's no news today either, but I'm not looking to trade where price is at the moment. So that's it.